Garmin GPS devices sometimes report incorrect locations. This issue primarily affects consumer wearables like the Forerunner, Phoenix, and Venue series. It also impacts automotive units, such as the Garmin Drive series, and marine devices, including the GPS Map series. The core problem is that these devices report incorrect locations, often showing location drift of up to 100 to 500 meters. This becomes particularly noticeable in urban areas. Recent software updates from around 2025 were intended to fix bugs, but have sometimes worsened accuracy, especially in cities where signal interference is common. Possible causes include signal interference, environmental factors, and software bugs. Solutions involve troubleshooting steps like recalibration and resets. GPS accuracy relies on trilateration, a method that calculates your position by measuring distances to multiple satellites using signal timing. Several factors can disrupt this process. Signal interference from urban canyons, tall buildings, power lines, or Wi-Fi networks weakens satellite signals, reducing accuracy. Environmental factors like severe weather, dense foliage, and tunnels can completely block satellite reception, causing complete loss of GPS signal. Device-specific issues also play a role. Outdated firmware, corrupted cache, or damaged hardware can prevent accurate position calculations. Finally, user errors such as incorrect time zone settings or improper sensor calibration can lead to inaccurate location reporting. Garmin devices use multiple Global Navigation Satellite Systems, or GNSS. These include GPS from the United States, GLONASS from Russia, Galileo from the European Union, and Beidou from China. Using multiple GNSS systems reduces reliance on any single system and significantly improves accuracy. If one system's signals are weak due to interference or environmental factors, the others can step in to compensate. To get the best results, ensure your Garmin device is set to use multiple GNSS. Enable the multi-GNSS option in your device settings to utilize all available satellite systems. Software updates are crucial for fixing bugs, but can sometimes introduce new problems. Always update your Garmin device using Garmin Express. If you experience issues after an update, check Garmin's forums for known problems and potential fixes. Garmin released version 10.x to address issues from 2025. In some cases, downgrading to a previous firmware version might temporarily resolve the problem, although this is not generally recommended. If your GPS is inaccurate, start with basic troubleshooting. Perform a GPS reset by holding the power button for 15 seconds. Recalibrate the GPS through the device's settings menu under Sensors. Clear the app cache to remove corrupted data. If necessary, perform a factory reset, but back up your data first. Ensure your time zone settings are correct. Sometimes, simply turning the device off and on again can resolve minor glitches. The environment plays a significant role in GPS accuracy. GPS signals travel from satellites to your device, but they can be blocked or weakened by various obstacles in your surroundings. To achieve the best GPS accuracy, use your Garmin device in open areas with clear views of the sky. Dense tree cover or tall buildings can block satellite signals, leading to inaccurate positioning. Metal objects can also interfere with GPS signals. These conductive materials can reflect or absorb satellite signals, causing positioning errors. Keep your device away from metal structures like vehicles or buildings. In urban areas, tall buildings can create what's called urban canyons, where satellite signals are blocked by structures. If you're experiencing poor accuracy, try moving to a more open location away from tall buildings. Finally, activating multi-GNSS options in your advanced settings can significantly improve accuracy. This allows your device to use signals from multiple satellite systems like GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou, providing better coverage in challenging environments. In 2024, users of the Phoenix 7 series smartwatches experienced significant location jumps during ultramarathon events. These jumps were caused by conflicts with GLONASS satellites, where the device would suddenly report positions miles away from the runner's actual location. Garmin resolved this by recommending users downgrade their firmware and switch to GPS-only mode, which disables multi-constellation support to prevent the GLONASS conflicts. In 2025, marine GPS map devices experienced location inaccuracies in foggy conditions along the California coast. Fishermen found their positions reported kilometers away from their actual locations, creating navigation hazards. The issue stemmed from sensor calibration flaws during ionospheric interference. Garmin addressed this with the 2025.2 software update and provided extended warranties for over 50,000 affected devices. These real-world examples illustrate that Garmin GPS inaccuracies typically arise under specific conditions, such as satellite system conflicts or environmental interference. Fortunately, the majority of these issues are addressed through targeted software updates, minimizing the need for hardware replacements. The future of Garmin GPS technology lies in hybrid positioning systems that combine multiple location methods. When traditional GPS signals fail, devices can seamlessly switch to cellular networks, Wi-Fi positioning, and Bluetooth beacons for continuous location tracking. A key component of hybrid systems is dead reckoning, which estimates your position using the device's built-in sensors like accelerometers and gyroscopes. Even without GPS, the device can track movement and maintain relatively accurate positioning. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing Garmin's approach to accuracy. Apps like Garmin Connect now use AI algorithms to detect unusual location patterns and automatically correct them in real time, learning from millions of user data points. The integration of 5G cellular networks and advanced satellite constellations like Starlink is dramatically improving GPS reliability. These technologies offer faster data transmission and more satellite coverage for precise positioning, even in challenging environments. While technology is advancing rapidly, challenges persist. Cybersecurity threats such as GPS spoofing, where hackers send false signals to mislead devices, continue to pose risks that require ongoing security measures. Looking ahead, the convergence of AI-powered corrections, hybrid positioning technologies, and next-generation networks promises a future where location accuracy reaches new heights, making Garmin devices even more dependable for users worldwide.